everyone, this is Texas Tim and Rose. I'm over here doing some pancakes for my father-in-law. Made some for us. I offered him a couple pieces, some earlier in the week, and he told Rose that he liked it, so I'm gonna make him some. I already ate. Just put my butter in the pan and get ready to cook it up here. You gotta turn the fire on. Lift the gas on. Let that melt down while I stir this up. Make some good old Texas style pancakes. Melted. Let me get busy here and drop this big old pancake in there. That's all I want. Just spoon it in there. No certain amount. One thing I don't do is measure. I don't like measuring my food. Drop it to taste, drop it to looks, drop it to texture. Just let it sit there and it'll be ready to go. Texas Tim doing his thing. Yeah, got mama behind the camera right now, making sure I do stuff right. I drop a little bit of butter on there, give it that good buttery taste. Keep your fire on a nice medium low. You don't burn your pancake. I've never seen this butter in the US, but it's some darn good butter. It's called Arla butter. I use this on my pancakes and whatever else I gotta cook. It is excellent. Try your luck on it. Look at that, nice and frozen. They had a deal on it at the S&R. What do y'all think about that pancake? Oh yeah, when you flip it, just take those little crusts off of there. They ain't gonna hurt nothing. That's all. Boom, he's ready. What do you know about that? That's one down for Papa. I don't want to put this. Oh, number two. Just drop it in there and let it do its thing. Nothing hard about this. Easy. I mean, I'm not doing no cook show. I'm not a cook like that. But I will do some mean Texas barbecue. Gotta find me some pork ribs that they could cut right for me. Down here at the market in Balamban. If they could cut them the way I want to cook them, like baby back ribs, I'll do it. If not, I'll go to S&R and buy me some, and I'm gonna do a barbecue video for you guys, Texas style. Finger licking good. I gotta loosen it off the bottom here. Getting ready to flip it and hope it's a successful flip without making a mess. But it's a biggin. Bingo! What do you know about that? I like that. Nice big pancake. I love cooking when I can. Drop a little dab of butter on there. Let it melt in. Press.
So you're making a buttery pancake?
Making a nice buttery pancake. And some people call it in the state flapjacks. Flapjacks. Here's the finished product. I made 3 pancakes for Papa. If he could handle it, he's a better man than me. I only hit maybe 2 at this size. Yes. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Texas Tim and Rose. Doing our thing. Time to do a little bit of car washing today. You guys enjoy, be careful. Well, here we are, driving to the market, heading back home now. Heavy rain today, so got to be real careful and take it easy. Texas Tim know how to drive in this weather. Learning how to maneuver around town. It is heavy, heavy rain. Got the trikes out here. One guy on a bike paddling. The big beautiful house up there to the left. Just take your time and go. Don't need to rush. Get anybody hurt or yourself hurt. It's something else. Totally different world over here. I'll get around him in a few seconds here. Wow, look at this. I like this. Nobody on the road. No fast-paced traffic. Just cruise. Take your time. We're on our way to our pig farm to drop off the vitamins for the piggies. Keep them healthy. Look at this. New cemented road. It's election time, so I guess that's why. Vote for me, I'll fix your road. Look at that. Kids playing out here. People in front of us walking in the rain. Beautiful greenery out there. That's what I like. All green. This is nice right here. I like this section. All these trees. Yep, that's rain hitting the top of the truck, y'all. Look at this guy. He took his shirt off. He said, yeah, feeling fresh. And the people over here with their little baby walking out in the rain. Wow. We have heavy rain in the Philippines, y'all. These people riding a motorcycle. Well, here we are, heading back home. This is our little route back to the house. Gotta do a little maneuvering, twisting and turning, but we make it. Scratched my truck up already because of that. Just has to be careful, take our time. Look at that, flooded, lots of water. Here we go, let's get in here. Wow. This is home, you guys. Right here, the blue house. We made it.